So good morning everyone. I'm going to explain question 1 about leadership dimension and style. When the import tax from the USA increases, Intel Corporation needs to change-oriented leadership dimensions. This means the leader must adapt to the new tax policies, find alternative local suppliers, and control costs while maintaining product quality. The manager also needs to guide employees through these changes so everyone understands to the new direction of the company. In short, the dimension helps Intel to stay strong and competitive during the economic challenge. For the leadership style, I choose transformational and democratic leadership. The transformational leaders inspire and motivate employees to stay positive and creative even when the company faces a higher cost. A democratic leader involves employees in decision making. This helps gather new ideas and build teamwork between departments. Combining these two styles will keep the employees motivated and help Intel adapt effectively to the import tax changes.
Next, I will be presenting about any applied theories in leadership to increase company performance for the year 2026. The effective leadership is very important to help company of Intel Corporation Berhad stay competitive and resilient. The first leadership theory is transformational leadership. This theory focuses on inspiring employees to work with passion and creativity even during difficult times. In this situation, leaders can form a special tariff response team to find new opportunities. For example, redesigning products, exploring new markets, or developing higher margin items that are less affected by tariffs. The goal is to motivate everyone with a clear vision so employees feel united in achieving growth despite all the challenges. Other than that, we have adaptive leadership. This theory encourages leaders to treat problems like tariffs as opportunities for learning and innovation. Leaders should empower their teams to test new solutions such as finding alternative suppliers or adjusting product designs. By allowing employees to experiment and learn quickly, the company can adapt faster and reduce the negative effects of tariffs.
Hi, I'm presenting as the General Manager of Intern Corporation Berhad located in Bayan Lepas, Pulau Pinang. I will share how we can apply proven motivation theory to improve employee performance in 2026. The strategies are designed to boost moral productivity and innovation across our organization. The first is Maslow hierarchy of needs. This theory is based on 5 levels of human needs. At Intern, we start by meeting basic needs like offering competitive salary and a comfortable work environment. Then we will ensure safety through job security and health benefits. To foster belonging, we promote team building and inclusivity. Recognition and promotion help fulfill extended needs. Finally, we support self-actualization by offering career development and innovation opportunity. When employees feel their needs are met, they are more engaged and productive. Herzberg two-factor theory. This theory divides motivation into 2 categories, hygiene factor and motivator. Hygiene factor like company policy, supervision, and work-life balance. Don't necessarily motivate, but if they're missing, employee become dissatisfied. Motivator, on the other hand, drive satisfaction. At Inter, we can encourage achievement and personal growth through programs like Inter Innovator of the Month. This approach helps reduce turnover and boost morale.
Okay, now we're going to continue with applied communication flow within the organization. First, downwards. Downwards is information flow from higher management to lower level employees. For example, when the US import tax increase, Intel top management in Malaysia may issue directives to the finance and production department. For example, they might instruct manager to reduce costs or adjust pricing strategy to maintain profitability. This helps ensure all employees understand the company's response plan. Second, upward. Upward is information flow from lower level to higher management. For example, employers in the finance or logistics departments might report how to tax increase affect material costs or delivery schedule. Their feedback help upper management make informed decision about budget adjustment or supply negotiation. Furthermore, lateral. Lateral is communication occurs between employers or department at the same level. For example, the finance and marketing departments may coordinate to revise product, product price or promotional strategies after analyzing the tax impact. This collaboration ensures consistent action across departments. Okay, lastly, diagonal communication. Diagonal communication between employers at different levels and departments. For example, a production manager might directly contact a financial analyst to discuss how higher import costs affect component orders. This cross-departmental communication helps speed up solution without always going through the hierarchy. Okay, next, we are moving forward. The USA increasing import tax that could cause barrier in communication for intercorporation Berhad. Firstly, emotion. When the USA increase import tax, employer in intercorporation Berhad may feel stressed or worried about the company's future. This emotion can affect how they communicate, leading to misunderstanding or tension at work. Second, information overload. The tax increase may cause a flood of new data, reports, and updates. Too much information can confuse employees and make it hard for them to focus on key decisions, reducing communicating efficiency. And lastly, defensive. Some employees might feel blame or criticism for the company's struggles after the tax rise. This can make them defensive during discussion, which stop open and effective communication. That's all from me. Bye.